sunshine, I am not even exaggerating. Coffee and lemon weight loss drink is one of the best weight loss drink you should start incorporating into your diet today. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive into making our 2-ingredient weight loss drink. Take a cup and then you will need half a lemon. It's actually 1 lemon. I slice it into 2 and then squeeze the juice. You can use whatever you want to use to squeeze out the juice inside it. Now, lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants which promote good digestion and helps you with weight loss. It will also boost your metabolism to great extent, purify your blood and also flush out unwanted toxins. Now we have the lemon juice. Let's move to coffee. Right here I'm using classic Mac coffee. You can use black coffee or any brand at all. So far it's not decaffeinated coffee. Unpopular opinion, if you're having a bad day, then drink some coffee. Now, coffee is delicious, boosts the metabolism, and a great way to kickstart your day. Keep you focused and energized almost throughout the day. Research shows coffee can reduce stress and depression, boost your memory, and other benefits. So just take a tablespoon. I'm using a teaspoon. That is why I'm putting 2 heaps to make it 1 tablespoon. Note, you can reduce the quantity of this coffee if you always experience trouble sleeping, because the caffeine in this coffee will keep you active throughout the day and sometimes night. Our last but not the least ingredient is water, a hot boiling water. So just add 1 cup of hot water and stir it. Now, coffee contains theobromine, theophylline, and chlorogenic acid, which are best known to boost weight loss. It will break down the fat cells and further accelerate weight loss process. I take this drink anytime I want to kickstart a weight loss process for myself. Having this tea on an empty stomach before heading to your workout will fast track your weight loss and also kickstart your day, help you cope with hunger pangs and also cravings. Remember, nothing beats a good meal and an active lifestyle. Remember to stay healthy, have this tea in the morning, listen to your body and enjoy all the awesome benefit. Love you now and always. Stay healthy and bye-bye.